Here's how you assemble Mayfair Furniture's Samson B1 base. Firstly, take the spider of the base and line it up with the threaded rod. Insert the threaded rod into the spider and tighten it with a nut. You can also place your finger on the nut, ensure it is level. This is so when you place the tabletop, it is both level and nothing is digging into it. Make sure to use the right tool so it does not come loose. Take the column and slide it down the threaded rod. Take note that the slot is facing away from the spider. The bottom of the column will fit into the foot of the base. The foot of the base will slot into the column. Place the foot on top and with a washer and nut, tighten it together. Do not forget to use a tool. Keep it tightened. And now you have assembled your Samson base.